As a DIYer, I'm always hesitant when I'm doing something for the very first time. And that's especially true when it involves plumbing. This is a slip-on tub spout. And this is the adapter that goes onto the copper pipe. And when this goes on, then you screw this in and you'll be good to go. So what I've done here is created a DIY project prep checklist. In fact, this is available to you at no charge. The description's in the link down below. There are 3 versions of the checklist. There is a long, extensive one. This is a quick version, and then there's a 1-page table version. For this project, I'm going to use the quick version checklist. The project name is Tub Spout. And today is August 2025. I believe this to be an intermediate job on the difficulty level. On the resources, my main resources are YouTube videos. I've already watched a couple of those, and I have the instruction manual. So this is a Delta system, and specifically right here is the installation of a slip-on adapter. So we call this the user's manual. That'll be my main source of resource. Estimated time to complete, I don't know. I'm going to take my time and I got to film it. I'm going to call it 1 hour. That's if I've done all the preparation correctly. Now for the planning process, as far as the steps that I'm going to do, the first is that we've got to measure and cut the pipe. Then we're going to clean the pipe, and that's to deburr it, ream it, just make sure it's totally clean. And the reason for that is because of the O-rings. There are O-rings here both on the outside of the adapter, but it's really the one on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that one we want to make sure that the pipe is totally clean, so there's no rough there, burrs or anything like that that can harm the O-ring. So clean the pipe. From there, we want to install the adapter. And for this, you'll see I'm going to need a tool, so we install the adapter. And then, of course, test it. Now, before I do all of this on the process planning, I'm going to put an important step here, is to turn off the water. All right, good to go there. Let's move now to the tools that were needed. The obvious things I think you'll see is the tape measure, right? We need to be a maximum of 3.5 inches from the wall to the end of the spout, or the end of the copper spout. So I'm going to call that 3.25. And of course I'll need a Sharpie to make a mark of where I'm going to cut it. I'm then going to use the pipe cutter. We also need an Allen wrench, and an Allen wrench is for the set screw. It's actually an 1/8 inch Allen wrench to set the set screw to make sure that this stays tight onto the copper tube. We will need cleaning things, I don't know what you call them, emery cloth, steel wool, etc. And the reason we need that is to make sure, again, it's totally clean, it's all deburred, things like that. We want some lubricant that's specifically for the O-rings, and we will want an optional is caulk. And the caulk will be when we apply this up against the wall, we can caulk the top and the sides and leave a little bit open here, even though there's a gap there. So maybe we can, if we want, I'm not sure if we will, we can caulk all around it. But if water leaks inside here, it'll drip back out that and then down the wall into the tub. So that's going to be optional. Materials, I got all the materials right here, good to go. Notes, remind myself to turn off the water. Right? DIYer, right? Rookie mistake, to keep that water on. and budget planning, we're all done there. So let's get into this. I had originally estimated this project to take about 1 hour, but and it did. But that included watching YouTube videos, taking notes, and also reading the user's manual, and also filming. So yeah, about an hour. But in reality, the work, meaning the actual just doing the work, was probably about 20 minutes. It was actually really quick. Be sure to download your free DIY project prep checklist. There is a long extended version. This was the quick version that I used. There's also a one-page table version. And the link is in the description below. If you want to see more videos where we fix a lot of different things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.